This is a really quick video showing the results of 3 different Toposolids created in Revit using 3 different methods. The first one is created using a civil CAD file just based on contours at the correct elevation. The next one uses a triangulated surface from a civil CAD file, which is the best option of the first 2. And then the third is the overall best option, where in Civil 3D you publish a surface and then that surface is actually linked in, and then that process can be repeated in that Civil can republish the surface and all you have to do is open Revit and the link automatically updates. And then the fourth thing here is the actual triangulated Civil CAD file in the same slice in Revit, just to show how these 4 things line up with each other. And so you can see that they don't line up perfectly edge to edge, but that's just because it slopes in the other direction as well. So if you take that into consideration, all 3 of these slices line up really well. This video is meant to go along with a blog post on BIM Chapters that highlights the fact that the least accurate method is to receive a contours only file from your civil that will not pick up things like spot elevations. The next best option is to ask your civil for a triangulated surface, which then has more definition than just the plain contours. Some of the ups and downs in between contours will be picked up. That's going to be this one based on the triangulated surface. But then the most accurate one, which also this example doesn't really highlight some of the features, but if Civil 3D publishes a surface into BIM 360 and then you link that surface into Revit, it's going to be as perfect as the Civil 3D surface. It'll have perfectly vertical surfaces, and it can have steps and curb and gutter and ped ramps and the crown in the center of the road. All that stuff will come through perfectly in a Revit section. And then again, this back option is just the Civil 3D triangulated surface exported to CAD and then brought into Revit. And then all of that was exported to CAD again to bring into AutoCAD here, which this could have been done in Revit as well, but just showing these 4 slices. And you can see there for this particular surface, which is fairly complex but just doesn't have a lot of really unique things like vertical retaining walls or anything happening, all 3 of these are pretty much spot on. So if you want to learn more about this, go check out the blog post on BIM Chapters called Revit Toposolid Creation Options and Accuracy. Thanks for watching.